In this video, we're going to talk about an asset called Decentraland, a hidden gem alert of Decentraland. And you may be thinking, is this really a hidden gem? Because I remember getting Decentraland when it was $1.10, and when we had that correction in the marketplace, brought it down to 76 cents. And I'm going to tell you something, it's an opportunity if you want to take advantage of it. My name is Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Thank you for the likes and the comment and subscribe to this channel. I'm so excited for that as well. And because this is the place to be to grow your brand and to grow your bank account, let's go ahead and dive into the content. What is Decentraland and how can I buy it? And what does Decentraland does? You may be asking or thinking about all those type of things, and I got you covered. So let's go ahead and do it. Now, Decentraland is very interesting asset. It's dealing with, I will tell you, let me just show it to you, because I'm in there talking about it. It's basically create, explore, and trade in the first ever virtual world owned by its users. So it definitely has the virtual experience going on. It kind of reminds me of some of the other assets that I've done with hidden gems before, where they're taking over the world in terms of the virtual experience. I'm thinking a little bit like the sandbox, but not quite like the sandbox, but this is a little bit different. And the thing about with Decentraland, explore lands owned by users and experience incredible scenes and structures. So that does remind me a little bit of the sandbox. You know, it does a little bit, but not necessarily quite like that. And now Decentraland is trading at, I think it's trading like 76 cents. And it got as high as about, what, $1.50? I got it in $1.10 a while back, and I saw the price go down. I'm like, oh my goodness, I need to do a video. It's a hidden gem to me because it's not talked about a little bit. And in my coin market cap right now, and to find itself as a virtual reality platform powered by Ethereum. Once again, the Ethereum blockchain is within these hidden gems. If you've been understanding and watching some of my videos, a lot of the hidden gems has something to do with the Ethereum blockchain. Now, the thing about Decentraland is very unique. It's built for content creators, businesses, and individuals. It's built for them. It's built for us. It's built for you if you're a creator, if you're a business person. And I love the website. Look at this website, so interacting. Look at this. Get started by clicking there. It's so interacting. It's so new. It's so awesome. Immerse yourself into the first virtual world fully owned by its users. You just start playing there, and it's what is mana. It's like a beginner's guide. It actually talks about exactly what mana does with the Decentraland. Mana is burned or spent in exchange for land's parcel. So you can understand what the land is all about, what's the mana is all about. So I like this. Very interacting. So you're probably wondering, okay, so how do I purchase this if it's something I want to get? So if we go to the market, you can definitely get it on Coinbase. So click on the link below. I do have the link for you to purchase Decentraland on Coinbase. I own Decentraland as well. You also can get it on crypto.com. You can get it on there. You also can get it on Binance. So you can get it on several places really in terms of Decentraland. So I like it. I have it on Coinbase. So you also get it on Gemini. Gemini and Coinbase are the two top places I like to really get my stuff. And crypto.com as well. So it's several places, it's everywhere. It's several areas that you can get this at because it is that good to me. It's that good. And then you know the place I look for to do the research is the Twitter page. Absolutely. Over 135,000 followers, and that's growing every day, to be honest with you. It's growing. I like Seller Network and I like Decentraland because they're so interactive and they're for the user experience. You know, virtual reality, they're working with the Ethereum blockchain. And they are aggressive. They actually are active on their Twitter page as well. Like this is about a couple of hours ago. And this is what a post for the Maker's Place retweeted this, the experience and the collaboration of the series. I love this. And Decentraland posted this, the Premier League title holder, you know, Man City drops an exclusive NFT. I'm a big fan of NFTs collection produced with the artist. So look at this, be a part of history. Check out the Twitter page as well. Anytime you're doing your research on these assets, always look at the Twitter page. Look at the Twitter page and the website. So two places I go to. I go to the website, which is here, and I look at the website. I really kind of like see exactly what it does. This is the first ever virtual world owned by its users. And then I look at like the marketplace, exactly, how do you get it? How do you buy this thing as well? You know what? So I go here where I can buy it, and I check out those exchanges, and I check back at the website. I do my research here. I'm just kind of showing you exactly what I do. And then I look at the Twitter page. I read the Twitter. Actually, I read some of the posts and some of the updates they're doing, some of the things that's coming up. Like this was just done like not too long ago. So, and happy birthday to I Am Token Official. And you look at that CoinDesk. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. Experience CoinDesk's largest annual event live in Decentraland. And look at this, May 24th to 27th. So a virtual experience is going on with this by CoinDesk. And so look at this. This is awesome. This is awesome. So it's all about the land, Decentraland. I like the name too. It kind of fits exactly what it does, with the whole virtual experience. And you can go in here and learn more about it. You can join their Discord as well. You can join that as well. And just take a look at it. I'll have the link in the description. You can take a look exactly if this is something you want to dive more into. To me, I feel like it's a little bit of a hidden gem because it hasn't exploded yet, in my opinion. It just haven't exploded. It's a little bit under the radar in a sense, because it hasn't really exploded. And by looking at the price here, and look at this, 75 cents. Oh my goodness. 75 cents on there. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, that's a steal. That's a steal in my opinion. Basically what the market cap, what it is now, what it has the potential to be. Remember, this thing got as high as $1.27, actually $1.50, $1.50. It's about half now. Look at that. May 5th, it was $1.50. I just brought up the chart up and it's 75 cents. So if you do the math, that's about around half. So it basically dropped in half what it is right now by doing this video right now. And the taping of this video is at 75 cents and it's got up to $1.50. Now, here's the thing I also do my research on. I compare max and total supply together. So I'm like, only 2 million? And I do Decentraland. Which one is that's actually about same supply? Is it Chainlink? I believe it's Chainlink. Chainlink has got a little low. Look at that, 1 billion. Just 1 billion. And if you look at Decentraland, it's 2 billion, a little bit over 2 billion. So think about it. Chainlink, which is it's a very, very good project as well. They're doing a lot of good things, and they've got, I think it's $25. And that thing got as high as about what, $45, $49, and it has a little bit less of a max supply and total supply. But you go back to Decentraland, you're like, okay, all right, a little bit over 2 million. Okay, so that's something to think about. I'm not saying Decentraland will get up to where Chainlink is, but it does have potential definitely to get to at least about $5. It has that potential to get there because of the use cases. I really feel like this is where we're headed with the future of virtual world. We headed there. I feel like we're almost there already. Decentraland is controlled by VIDO, which owns most important smart contracts and assets on Decentraland. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Anyway, take a look at the links if you want to purchase this as well. I have Gemini and also Coinbase as well. I'll have the links there. Those are 2 areas that I look to purchase it as well. Of course, you can get it on different areas as well. So take a look at Decentraland. I'll have the website below as well. Do your research. I'm not a financial advisor, but I like to research these hidden gems and give it out to you. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Take a look at Decentraland. Watch the video again if you need that Decentraland on. I love Decentraland. I'm telling you, the virtual experience and their Twitter page is just growing with different information. Oh my goodness. I'll see you on the next video, on the next Hidden Gem Alert. My name is Adam Shelton. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.